Many of you have been asking me when I'm coming to your city to teach private equity in person. After all, it's been a busy 2023 where we conducted highly interactive events throughout Europe, Asia, and North America. We keep our event sizes small so that I can get to know you in person and can answer any questions you have on private equity. Well, if you are in Europe in winter of 2024, I'll be around and I'd love to meet you at one of our highly interactive private equity educational events. In fact, we'll be delivering 10 events, which are boot camps, workshops, and speeches across 7 countries in Europe: Luxembourg, the UK, Germany, Austria, France, Switzerland, and the Netherlands. I have put the links to sign up for these events in the description below on YouTube or above on LinkedIn. But why don't I tell you a bit more about the events? On January 23rd, 2024, we'll be in Luxembourg to offer a full-day private equity bootcamp. That's 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m., where you'll be stuck with me, learning everything you want to know about private equity. I teach in a highly interactive way, so get ready to ask questions, be involved, and meet like-minded professionals in Luxembourg. The event is offered along with the CFA Society Luxembourg, but it's open to non-members as well. Now, to ensure our events are as interactive as we promise they'll be, we keep the enrollment for a maximum of 20 people. So if you're interested, please sign up soon. After Luxembourg, on January 25th, 2024, we'll be in London in the UK, where I will be giving a speech titled How Family Offices Can Excel in PE and VC Investing. This event will be offered with the CFA Society UK, but is also open to non-members as well. On February 22nd, 2024, we'll be in Frankfurt, Germany, conducting another full-day, highly interactive private equity bootcamp similar to the one in Luxembourg. This bootcamp is offered with the CFA Society Germany and is open to non-members as well, and also has a maximum of 20 spots. So if you want to meet other professionals interested in private equity in Germany and spend some time with me, it'd be great to see you there. The following week, on February 28th, 2024, we'll be in Vienna, Austria, providing a 2-hour workshop for family offices at the 0100 conference in Vienna. I apologize, but you have to be a family office to get into our workshop, but the main conference is open to everyone. On March 7th, 2024, we'll be in Paris, France, conducting another full-day, highly interactive private equity bootcamp, similar to the one in Luxembourg and Germany. This bootcamp is offered with the CFA Society France, but it's open to non-members, which could be you, and has a maximum of 20 spots. It's going to be highly interactive as well. It'd be great to see you in Paris, but if you can't make it, the following week on March 14th, 2024, we'll be in Zurich, Switzerland, conducting another full-day private equity bootcamp. It's going to be in a similar format as the one in Luxembourg, Germany, and France. It's offered with the CFA Society Switzerland, is open to non-members, and, that's right, has a maximum of 20 spots. Want to meet like-minded professionals in Switzerland? Well, sign up for our event in Zurich. On April 16th and 17th, 2024, we'll be in Amsterdam in the Netherlands, partnering again with the 0100 conference. This time, we will be doing 3 different 2-hour workshops, one exclusively for family offices, one exclusively for institutional investors, and one exclusively for service providers. So, if you're a family office, institutional investor, or service provider, sign up for our workshop at the 0100 conference in Amsterdam. And even if you can't get into the workshop, it would be nice to see you at the conference. There will be over 1,000 private equity professionals at that conference. The following day, on April 18th, 2024, we'll be back in Switzerland, this time in Geneva. Here we'll be conducting another full-day private equity bootcamp with the CFA Society Switzerland. This will be our final event in Europe, but it'll be excellent. It's also open to non-CFA members, and just like the other boot camps, we'll limit the attendance to 20 people. If you've been watching our videos for a while and enjoy learning private equity virtually, well, we'd love to answer any questions you have in person. So come to Luxembourg, the UK, Germany, Austria, France, Switzerland, or the Netherlands to bring your private equity knowledge to the next level. Hope to see you in Europe.